Hi, Deadlocks here again. Today escaping from the Clejuso 11r. And hopefully Mrs. Deadlocks has pressed record. So I've actually already done this once, and I've already snapped the Parker pick off this pen and prepared it, which I had to use my teeth for, but none of it's actually on camera.
I freaked out and I didn't press record. I'm sorry. I didn't like you were using your teeth and it freaked me out.
So I'm going to put it together without the snapping of that. And
Well, I've seen you snap it before, haven't they?
Yeah, but I haven't seen us prepare it in cuffs this odd before. So these are difficult because I can't reach the keyway with the Parker pick. So I'm making a longer version of the Parker pick using only parts of the Parker pen. I pre-snapped the end of this off, I cleaned it all out.
Which is why you can see his fingers are all black and monkey.
Yes, that was for purposes of not getting my living room all up the nass.
Better not get ink on my Beanie Babies.
I intend to get ink on your Beanie Baby.
No, don't. Not on Iggy and Jake.
Iggy.
He's called Iggy the... He's Iggy, and I think it was because he was Iggy the iguana before people realised that it's actually a chameleon. And I think it's a bit silly. And then Jake the Drake. Because drakes are what male ducks are called. Are you already picking?
Yep.
You could come closer so I can see what you're doing.
I'll do a close up soon anyway.
You could come closer so you could show.
And I'm free. Now I'm going to show you how I did it. Right, so as you can see, this method gets messy.
And ruins my pens.
But this is what I made. I've put a slight bend
You're recording?
Yes, I am. I actually put a slight bend in the end of this Parker pick because it helps with the Clejusos. But can be done without the bend. The only other thing is the spring from the bottom I actually put in the top of there to push everything down more firmly. So the spring's in there instead of it in the bottom, in case you fancy making one of these for yourself. As for the picking, it's actually not that hard. So you won't be pushing that locking bar across this way. So all you need to do is hook that bend round into the keyway and just do that. As you've seen, that pushed out as I was going. And hook into just before the top of the keyway. Twist round, you'll feel a very light spring and pull back, twist a little more and you're open. It's simple as that.
Simples.
If anyone wants a full video showing how I made the extended Parker
No,
pick,
you don't, because you'll make it. No, nobody wants to see it.
Everyone wants to see it.
No one wants to see it. No one wants you to break another Parker. Patricia didn't deserve to die for this game.
Is this one Patricia?
That is Patricia.
Patricia the pink Parker.
Yes. You've killed Polly and now Patricia, and you killed Peter as well. Percival does not want to die next.
Percival is screwed.
No.
Anyway,
So mean.
that's all from us. See you next time.
Bye. Jiggle. It won't open, look. And it won't jiggle.